Hello my friends, I hope you are feeling great. Welcome to a new video. Eliminate the tartar from our teeth should not be performed only as an aesthetic action, since we must bear in mind that tartar can cause inflammation of the gums and lead to gingivitis if we do not treat this problem quickly and adequately. In order to remove the tartar from our teeth, it is recommended to make some changes in our eating habits, in which we should include certain foods that tend to improve our teeth health. Among the recommended foods are apples, lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, etc. In addition to these foods, in today's video I am going to recommend you some home remedies that you can use to remove efficiently the tartar from the teeth very easily. Before continuing, please subscribe to this channel. Also make sure to press on the bell button to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for your support. Keep watching the video. Charcoal. Charcoal is one of the most used ingredients to perform oral health treatments, because it contains whitening properties. Charcoal can be found in health food stores. To use it, apply a little charcoal on the toothbrush, then proceed to brush your teeth for 2 minutes at least once a day. Perhaps its black color will make you think that it will not work, but once you rinse your teeth, the dark color of the charcoal will disappear, and you will feel your mouth much cleaner besides white teeth. Oxygenated water with baking soda. These two ingredients are one of the best natural whiteners that exist, thanks to the fact that it has properties that clarify and eliminate the toxins that may exist in the mouth. To use this remedy, oxygenated water should be mixed with the baking soda in order to make a paste. Use this paste to brush your teeth, at least once a week, and effectively remove the tartar on your teeth. Leaves of parsley and peppermint. This type of leaves are excellent to clean our teeth and whiten them naturally. To make this remedy, you should only chew these leaves together for about 5 minutes, grinding the leaves with your teeth as much as you can. This way you will be cleaning your teeth, and also refresh your breath through the peppermint. I hope these tips will be very useful to improve your overall health. If you liked this video, please support our channel by giving us a thumbs up or share the video with someone you think it could be useful. If this is the first time you look at one of my videos, I invite you to subscribe to the channel by pressing the red button you will find at the bottom that says subscribe. Also you have to press in the bell button next to it. Press it, and you will receive an email when we upload a new video. Thank you very much for your visit. See you in the next video.